Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view your liked TikToks. If you want to revisit the TikTok videos you've liked in the past, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. Look for the like icon, which is represented by a heart, on the slider below the buttons. Tap on the like icon to access your liked videos. Step 4. Once you tap on the like icon, the screen will display all the TikTok videos that you have liked. You can scroll through the list to view your liked TikToks. By following these steps, you can easily view and rediscover the TikTok videos that you have liked in the past. The Liked Videos section allows you to revisit your favorite TikToks, relive special moments, and enjoy the content that caught your attention. We hope you find this guide helpful in viewing your liked TikToks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.